Good morning, dear students. Today we are discussing the assessment of persons other than individuals and finding your ITR. The first chapter is depreciation and investment allowance. So what is depreciation? It's the gradual decrease in the value of an asset due to normal wear and tear, passage of time, or due to changing technology. So normally we are charging the depreciation out of profits and gains of business or out of income from other sources. This depreciation comes under Section 32 of the Income Tax Act. There are two types of assets, tangible and intangible assets. Tangible assets, for example, building a plant, machinery, furniture, all these comes under tangible assets. Intangible assets, patents, copyright, know-how, license, and trademarks. These assets are eligible for the depreciation. So, building, what do you mean by, what are the items included in building? Roads, bridges, culverts, wells, and tubes, all these included in buildings. Plant and machinery includes ship, vehicles, books, scientific apparatus, and surgical equipment. Furniture includes all electrical fitting, that is wiring, switches, sockets, and fans. Intangible assets includes know-how, patent, copyright, trademarks, licenses, franchises, any other business or commercial rights including excluding goodwill. Then conditions for claiming the depreciation under Income Tax Act. Asset should be owned by the assessee, and that asset should be used for the purpose of assessing business or profession only. And that asset should be a part of the block of assets, and asset should be put to use during the previous year. Then what do you mean by asset? Block of asset. Under Section 211, it describes block of assets means a group of assets falling within a class of assets comprising tangible assets being building, machinery, plant or furniture, or intangible assets in respect of which same percentage of depreciation prescribed. And what are the different methods for charging the depreciation? First one is straight line method and the second one is written down value method. Straight line method only for undertaking engaged in generation and distribution of power, and written down value all the other undertakings can use written down value method. And the rate of depreciation for building, if it is used for residential purposes, it is 5% as depreciation. Non-residential buildings, 10%, and for temporary structures, we can charge 40% as depreciation. For second block of asset is furniture and fittings, furniture 10%. Third one is plant and machinery. It includes cars, scooters, surgical equipment, charges 15% depreciation. Buses, lorries, taxi cars are 30%, books 40%, computers 40%, life-saving equipment 40%. These are the depreciation rate of plant and machinery. And fourth block of asset is intangible assets, know-how, patent, copyrights, trademark, licenses, franchises, any other business or commercial rights, all together they are charging 25%. So mainly four blocks of assets are there. First one is building, second one is furniture and fittings, third one is plant and machinery, and the fourth one is intangible asset. Okay, thank you.